Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, I've got a great idea that's not actually a folded format. It's a layered die cutting technique that you can apply to the panels of folded formats to add interest and dimensionality. I've got 4 designs to show you, so let's take a closer look. Let's start with a clever little saddle stitch booklet with a 2-layer die cut on the cover. It's just 2 squares, and one is larger than the other to create a feeling of a framed or matted photo. Open it up and you see the 2-panel fold-out. There's a shimmery, translucent page and then 8 pages of content on the inside, another sheet of translucent, and then 2 more fold-out panels on the back cover. So the 4-page cover is technically a closed gatefold. Next up is one of my favorite bound folded samples. It's a higher ed piece with a super creative layered roll fold cover with rectangles that create a frame and texture around the message. Notice that the order of the rectangular die cuts goes from medium to smallest to largest, which feels counterintuitive, but that's the order of the layers when they roll in. This is a perfect bound view book with lots of nice graphics and content. What a great way to get attention. Now let's switch to folded brochures and look at a very cool event invitation built on a T-cross format with 3 layered circles, small, medium, and large, creatively framing the number 15, and when unfolded reveals a 15-year milestone for the organization. The 3 layered panels build on the theme until the final reveal. It's a stylish, simple way to do it and keeps the focus on the message. Lastly, this is a fun example of a Valentine that was sent to customers of a printing company. Layered hearts and special print effects show off their capabilities while making the customer feel important and valued. This is a simple snake fold, which is a specialty roll fold. So like the higher ed sample, the 3 different sized heart die cuts are in an order that you might not expect, medium, small, large, due to the way the panels roll in and layer. You may have noticed that each of the 4 samples used one geometric shape and stepped it in. We saw a square, a rectangle, a circle, and a heart done this way. So of course you can get crazy and use different shapes and layer them, but I thought it was kind of cool to show examples of common shapes that can be applied to many concepts and verticals. This layered die cutting technique can be considered for any format that has 3 or more panels, so I hope you're already thinking of great ways to use it. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.